Hi, you watching this special show on AI? Well, that's the artificial intelligence. But before we move on showing you and telling you all about AI and give you an explainer on it, let me first show you some videos. Have a look and we'll get back. Well, now let's get started with telling you what the AI is. The video that we showed you right now was AI generated video. Well, they seem very real, but they're not real. And that's the reason we showed you all the videos and then we wanted to tell you all about the artificial intelligence. Let's get started with telling you what is AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include problem solving, learning from experience, understanding language, and recognizing patterns. Essentially, AI enables machines to think and act in ways that are intelligent and adaptive, similar to how humans do it. Yes, so that was all AI about what we were trying to tell you. Let's now talk about the benefits of artificial intelligence. Well, first up, increased efficiency. One of the primary advantages of AI is its capability to perform tasks quickly and accurately. Unlike humans, AI systems don't need breaks and can work around the clock without resting. This leads to increased productivity in various industries. For example, AI can automate routine administrative tasks, allowing employees to focus more on complex work. The second is the enhanced accuracy. Yes, the AI excels in analyzing vast amounts of data in fields like healthcare, AI algorithms that can sift through medical records and research to help diagnose diseases more accurately and suggest optimal treatment. In finance, AI can detect fraudulent transactions by analyzing spending patterns, which is very important these days. Yes, with the kind of frauds that are happening now and then, the AI is going to be very helpful reading these patterns and analyzing the fraud patterns. Third up is the convenience. The AI improves everyday life through various applications, virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa that help manage tasks, set reminders, and answer your questions. Recommendation system on platforms like Netflix or Amazon also use AI to suggest which are the good movies that you can watch, the products or services based on your previous choices and preference, making your experience more personalized. Obviously, it's going to save up your time as well. Now next up, how is AI used? AI is transforming healthcare by providing tools for better diagnosis and treatment. For instance, AI-powered imaging systems can analyze X-rays or MRIs to identify potential issues that might be missed by human eyes. Additionally, AI-driven predictive models can help in early disease detection in personalized treatment planning. Transportation. In the transportation sector, AI is driving innovation. Self-driving cars use AI to process information from cameras, radar, and sensors to navigate road safely and efficiently. This technology aims to reduce accidents and improve traffic flow. And up, the customer service. Yes, the AI is increasingly used in customer service through chatbots and virtual agents, which you might have been using as well, like the chatbots. These systems can handle common inquiries, process orders, and provide support, often resolving issues faster than human representatives. This not only improves service speed, but also reduces operational cost. Where AI is used is integrated into many aspects of modern life. It powers smart home devices like thermostats and security cameras, which learn from user behavior to optimize energy use or enhance safety. In social media, AI algorithms filter and prioritize content, making feeds more relevant to individual users. So what are you watching online? Well, the AI reads it up and suggests you the content as per what your choice is. Online shopping platforms use AI to manage inventory, predict trends, and personalize your shopping experience yet again. Moreover, AI is used in finance for trading algorithms, risk assessment, and customer support. Now that was all where the AI was used, all where the AI should be used, and all where the AI is being used. Now, what are the dangers of AI? The AI often requires access to large amounts of personal data to function effectively. Now, this raises concern about data security and privacy. There's a risk that personal information could be misused or accessed by unauthorized parties. Job displacement. As AI technology advances, there's concern about its impact on the employment as well, which raises a question, क्या हमारी नौकरी चली जाएगी AI की वजह से? The automation may lead to job losses, particularly in industries where repetitive tasks are common, because obviously the humans will be replaced by the AI. The work done by the humans will be done by AI. Well, AI can create new job opportunities elsewhere, but there's a risk that the transition might not be smooth for all workers. Bias and fairness. That's third, the AI system are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the training data includes biases, the AI system can perpetuate or even exacerbate these biases. This can lead to unfair treatment in areas such as hiring, lending, and law enforcement. So in summary, the AI offers significant benefits including enhanced efficiency, accuracy, and convenience across various fields. However, it also poses risk related to privacy, employment, and fairness. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial to address these challenges responsibly to maximize its positive impact on society of innovation and refinement. Yes, let me tell you that AI should be used. It's good, but should be used in a certain way so that it's not a danger for the humans around. So the technology obviously gets you good things, but yes, good things comes with responsibility as well. Anything else that you want to know, do write into us and we'll let you know all about the AI.